Hi, it's Roger Knecht and Scott McKinley with Universal Accounting Center.
Hello.
Hello. One of the things that we're going to talk about today is with self-confidence, how can you as an accountant feel like you can go into a business and truthfully, honestly, help them improve their profits? So Scott, let me start with you. What are your initial thoughts on this?
On increasing profits?
Yes.
Most business owners don't have a clue what their financial reports are saying to them.
And would you agree sometimes they may not even know which of their product lines is making them the most profit?
Sure.
They're making money or they're losing money, but they don't know this one is where they're makes, let's say 20% profit and this one's 5% profit and this one every time they sell it they're losing something.
Right.
So as an accountant, how do you feel we can maybe make a difference in all that?
I spoke to a student 2 days ago who said that they've got a client that they are trying to land, and he keeps the only form of recording that he does is he writes down every customer on the calendar and what they paid, and that's it. How does this guy know where his money is coming and going? A quote that I like to live by and that I recommend to students to share with their clients or the prospects is, if you don't measure it, how could you expect to manage it? And
very true.
If you can apply these principles into the business of setting up the financials for them and sitting down and consulting with them on them, these numbers are going to point the business owners in the direction of the problems and the opportunities in the business. This is where you help them to increase their profits, because you'll be able to find those expenses that are just bleeding them of their cash flow.
Excellent. Now, a few things that I'd like to add to this is, in helping a client be more profitable, there are a lot of things that you can do with their payables relationships, maybe create new net term relationships with the vendors and such that they're working. There are a number of things that you can do on the receivables ends. So it's not always just about the product itself. There are a lot of things that are going on within a business that an accountant can come in, and with your experience with other clients, with your experience with numbers, you're going to see things that maybe they're not able to see because they're in the business, they're dealing with the minutia. And what we're able to do is get in there and actually take that higher view and say, why not do this and that, and give them some suggestions that can actually improve their profits. So we thank you for being here today. We hope you have a wonderful day, and remember this, if it's about accounting, it is universal.
I like to say that accounting success is universal.
But have a great day.
Bye.